Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is going to end up growing into an uptrend. I believe it's possibly going to go all the way up to the 61.8% Fibonacci extension, end up taking out these highs, and most likely make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shape. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, especially looking at the euro dollar and then the US dollar indexes, I believe that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think this is like 3 ways down for the A, 3 ways up for the B, and 5 ways down for the C. I think it's a 3, 3, 5 pattern, which most likely is like a running flat. I think there is a pretty good chance this is the end of an ABC of 2, and if it really is, then this is now going up for a big wave 3, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So going down to the daily time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole push down right here. If this really is a wave 2, then it should continue on this daily time frame to make higher highs, higher lows. The Fibonacci levels are definitely going to be areas of resistance, probably likely areas where price will start a pullback, but pullbacks are really good for us because at the end of pullbacks is where we can enter long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down. This move down definitely looks more like a trend to me, which kind of makes me think that it could make another push down to complete an a B, and a C pattern, and then end up continuing the uptrend. But the US dollar, as of right now, does kind of look like it's trying to end the correction. So honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this one is actually a motive wave correction, and that this breaker structure right here at the 38% could possibly be the end of this correction. If it is, then it will start to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. If this is actually a wave A, like I was explaining on the 4 hour, and this is a wave B, then it probably would still go up a little, but instead of continuing an uptrend, it would probably make like 3 waves up and pulse it down, proving to us that it is a wave B and going back down for a wave C, and then later on continuing the uptrend, probably after bouncing off one of these lower Fibonacci levels. So like I said, this looks like it might be a wave B, but it very easily could just keep on trending up. So if we see 3 waves up and pulse it down, then we definitely want to exit our longs, maybe potentially even go short for the wave C, and then exit our short for the wave C and go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.